My name is Tamale. I am a quantity surveyor with over 15 years experience. I started off with CICCQSU Brothers when I finished school. I did my degree in South Africa, Nelson Mandela Metropolitan University. And then I came back to Uganda. I started off with CICCQSU Brothers, 2 years there, and then I went into consultancy with Integrated YMR partnership. Then I did some private consultancy after that. And at the moment, I'm a quantity surveyor with EACOP, East African Crude Oil Pipeline. And straight out of my A-levels, I wanted to do architecture or civil engineering. And I was told architecture takes 5 years, civil engineering takes I don't know how long, after which you have to specialize. And I didn't feel like spending my entire life at school. So I was told about quantity surveying, and it had numbers. Numbers tell stories. I thought, this is it. So I decided to do quantity surveying. Quantity surveying in Uganda today, what's celebrating is the amount of students that are coming out of the university at the moment. Because when I started out, I think that was when it was just beginning, like in Uganda. So now we have not only Makerere releasing students, you have Mkozi University, and I think UCU. They're all producing degree students with quantity surveying. So what pushed us to start CICCQSU? Specifically, we were already in a body together with other surveyors. And I guess at the time, when the body was started, that the numbers were quite few, so it was good to have one body. But with time, we have all grown in numbers, and the industry has also diversified and gotten into places whereby we all have now specific issues to deal with. So it was imperative that we formed a body as quantity surveyors to have the numbers in one place, as well as have a unified forum to deal with quantity surveying. Uganda as a country is moving more into infrastructural projects, is moving more into regional partnerships and partnerships beyond the continent. So as CICCQSU, we would like to add value to those partnerships. We have partnerships in railway, oil and gas projects, and these are partnerships regionally as well as continentally. So CICCQSU is going to be a body that's going to, like a one-stop center for quantity surveying professionals, cost managers, cost controllers, for those specific infrastructural projects. On a junior level, we do plan to have a young quantity surveyors sort of a fellowship where they can together grow, get skills, and specifically drive the profession on their level. And then on a more senior level, partnering together to do projects. A single quantity surveyor cannot take on a whole infrastructural project. So partnerships with other senior professionals is really the way to go. I hope that members can benefit through the senior professionals in the body, because experience is the best teacher, but also it allows you to share this knowledge. Then on a regional and global level, we are going to partner with other professional bodies in other countries, on our members, to participate in these bigger projects that are really outside of Uganda. We plan to have several CPDs in our strategic plan that are quantity surveying specific, and partnerships with other professional bodies that we are going to plan with and have these CPDs done. Then we also have programs for the younger quantity surveyors that they can do again in partnership with other younger professionals in other professional bodies as well. I would like to say to the young surveyors to really trust their gut. Trusting your gut also helps you make the decision when you are not sure. Do your research, make the decision. Do not wait. because time doesn't wait for anyone, really. Yeah. Also, to the ladies, construction and generally the built environment is, yes, a male-dominated field, but male-dominated doesn't mean that we have no space. The space is there and it's ours. So I would really encourage the young ladies, if this is something you're interested in, please do it. It's really doable.